Welcome to ANS Solver question 16. 10 athletes compete in both the 100-meter race and triple jump. Their results are shown in the scatter diagram. One of these athletes jumped 15.12 meters in the triple jump. So that is on the x-axis, and 15.12 would be right here. Because the scale of this graph is one small box, that is this, is 2 meters, 0.02 meters, my bad. So yeah, so this is 15.12 where I've drawn the line connecting to the X mark, and they are asking us write down as time for the 100-meter race, that is on the Y axis. So let's go ahead and connect this. That would be right here. So 12 point, again, for one small box they are using 0.02 meters. So 12.82, 12.84, 12.86, 12.88. Therefore 12.88 right here would be our final answer for part A. Now let's move to part B. The values for two other athletes are shown in the table. On the scatter diagram, plot these points. Okay. So for 14.74, that would be two blocks to the right of 14.7 right here. And for the time for 100 meters, it's 13.2, which is right here. So we have to join both the points, and that would be right here. So both the points would meet right here. And you can also go ahead and make an X mark so that it's more or clearly visible. Now the second point, 15.2 meters on the triple jump, that is right here, and time for 100 meters 12.76. So that would be 3 boxes up or above the 12.7. So that would be 1, 2 and 3 right here. So now all we need to do is join both the points, and that would be right here. Make sure to use a ruler so that you can get a neat diagram of the lines and the crosses that you will be making on the graph. So the cross that lies right here. Now this will be our final answer for part B. Now let's move on to part C. On the scatter diagram, draw a line of best fit. So basically a line of best fit means a line that more or less or on an average shows the direction of the points. So in this case, your line of best fit would go through right here like this. Mine's not exactly accurate, but as you can see, it will go through at least 2 or 3 points, and as you can see that, and almost equal number of points on both sides of the line of best fit. As you can see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the right hand side, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left hand side. So that is almost equal. Now let's move on to part D. What type of correlation is shown in the scatter diagram? So the correlation, so these type of questions, basically what they mean is you have to write whether the line of best fit shows that the information provided is in a negative correlation or a positive correlation. How you will get to know this is by looking at the line of best fit. In this case, the gradient of the line of best fit would be negative, as you can clearly see that the line is going downwards. So your type of correlation in this case would be negative, and hence this will be your final answer for part D.